Good evening everyone. Hope you're all good. Here's a video just showing you some of the other tools that come as part of your deluxe package with the tradingview indicators. So also included is a W and M finder. Can help you find double tops and double bottoms, and its sensitivity can be adjusted to suit your needs. So for example, here it's picking out all of the double tops and bottoms in these swings, which can be nice when combined with other factors such as timing. Especially with the market makers method, this can work quite nice. You can adjust which EMAs are used to find the M's and W's, and you can also use the RSI to bring in a condition for being overbought and oversold, with the RSI overbought and oversold levels there too. You can adjust the sensitivity here, and you can change the candles it considers for swing highs and swing lows here. Standard length for zigzag is 12. However, then you miss some of the swings. So yeah, it depends on your use for it. I think if you combine this with timing, you can have some success, which is quite a useful tool to use. So for example, here we had a double bottom, nice move up, nice moves up from these double bottoms, bottoming out, and then nice big moves away. These pullbacks helped identify the swings. So yeah, you either get nice moves from the swing highs or from the swing lows. So this can be really nice for helping you find those. Obviously the timing is going to help you a lot there. Let's look at the next one. Obviously when you get into the higher time frames, many of these are much more significant than the lower time frame ones. For example, this one over here would have helped secure 800 pips. These ones here, a little bit smaller. But yeah, some of these swings are still 100 pip moves, so they're nice big moves generally. That one there, 300 pips. Look at this big drop down here. Another 600 odd pips. Yeah, so this is a nice indicator when used in confluence with timing and the higher time frame direction. Really recommend you guys give this a try. So that one's the G-labs WM finder, great for BTMM trading. I also think that with the G-labs Traders Dynamic Index, when combined with the shark fins, this can provide really nice confluence. So double top shark fin, move down, double bottom shark fin, move up, double top, move down, double top shark fins, bearish divergence, move down. Yeah, so following the most recent breaks of structure, the higher time frame direction and the shark fins combined is another nice use of this indicator. The TDI is also included in the deluxe package. Also an indicator that I'm now going to publish this evening, included with that is G-labs signal. Gives you sell and buy notifications. Combined with double top, you can see it can be quite profitable. And then we have buy down here, big move up. Sell combined with this double top here. Sell off of this double top. These ones are chopping, so a little bit less sturdy. Nice buy signal, nice sell signal, nice buy signal, nice sell signal. This can be made more sensitive and also less sensitive as well. Combined with the other factors is also a really nice indicator to add to your arsenal. I know a lot of you want to be told when to buy and when to sell, so this, if you're looking for that kind of thing, could be perfect for trend following for you. I think when combined with the double top finder, the double bottom WM finder, and the shark fins on the Traders Dynamic Index, you could have quite a really strong strategy, especially with the divergence here. So we have divergence, we have a double top, we have a sell signal. We have divergence, we have double top, we have sell signal. Those seem to be a really good combination. We have a shark fin, we have multiple double bottoms and a nice move up. So when price is choppy, I think the divergence is nice to give us that clarity. However, when price is chopping, you can see the overall direction with the combination of the shark fins seems to help, especially when we look to where the majority of the TDI is above the 50 line, so sell side is more likely. Obviously this is just holding up as support, but yeah, I think you guys can get some real good value from the combination of these indicators in helping you make trading decisions. So that's the G-labs signal. If we want to make things really simple, what we could do is bring in the market maker and we can follow that direction and take entries in line with the cycle. So now if we wanted to really filter things out, we can use our cycle direction from market maker's method in line with the buy signal here as another confluence, the shark fin on the TDI, and on many of the cycles we're also going to get the double tops and double bottoms as an added bonus. You can look for also entries on the lower time frame in line with the cycle. So this is actually really fantastic. Look at this. So we had the anchor point low, we had a double bottom, double buy confirmation. So we're going to ignore the sells as those are just minor pullbacks. You could sell them if you wish to. But look, we had one really good rise, two really good rises, three good rises, 4 days of nice rise with this system. So the first day, that is a 70 pip move. That is enough for any day. Second day, holding it, 153 pip move. So that's like 220 pips, I think, isn't it, from here to here? Get about 200 pips, and then the following day we had another buy signal, giving us 156 pips, and then the following day we have another 124 pips. So overall a really nice amount of gains. So yeah, I think you guys are going to be using this quite a bit more often. So I'll be publishing this in a moment, and then you can find that in your invite only script section. I think I've used an amplitude of 2, I believe, in the settings for the buy sell signal. What you can do is, if you find there's too many buy sell signals, is just increase it or decrease it until you see it how you like it. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So that is using WM Finder, G-labs TDI, and single asset market maker for added confluence. Also do my analysis with Connix Smart Trading for smart money concepts. That we can also use this too. So yeah, let's take a look at that now. So a really nice use of the two other indicators we have here, the double top and the double top WM finder, and also the Connix signal, is that these points of interest identified by Connix Smart Trading can be confirmed as well by also the direction. So then all we need to look for is our pullbacks. So we see our points of interest below us. So if we also get a Connix signal from one of these, that could be a nice confirmation that that might hold, combined with the TDI and also our double top and double bottom finders that may occur around these areas too for added confluence. Looking at the TDI, price could reverse off of this order block here and have a pullback into these lower levels before continuing to the upside. So yeah, as a real rounded way, I think these tools are going to give you a strong edge and enable you to have more success in your trades. I hope this really helps and helps you gain in your trading. So we've gone over the other indicators apart from Connix Smart Trading and the features of Market Maker. So Connix Smart Trading has fair value gaps in balances, which is liquidity voids in candles over a 3 candle pattern, and order blocks, which is the last opposite candle before a break of structure. Whenever there's a break of structure, we mark the last bullish candle for a bearish break of structure and the last bullish candle for a bearish break of structure. Bullish break of structure, we mark the last bearish candle, and bearish break of structure, we mark the last bullish candle. So after a break of structure, price can pull back like we had a break of structure here, and then price pulled back into that order block and is now looking to give us a move to the downside. And below that we have these fair value gaps. So these are all areas that price is likely to come back to visit. And as we said before, we have the confirmation of our TDI, double top, double bottom, and our Connix signal. So yeah, you can form a very strong system with these tools. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you the Market Maker, then I'm going to wrap up. So on Market Maker we have the BTMM cycles, we have which would be peak formation low or anchor point low as I've called it here, TDI, days of the week, we have Asian ranges, we have our EMAs, the 12, 13, 50, 200 and 800, have ADR markers to project the cycle, normal cycle is free ADR, have prepare the cycle direction of this, number of days since this cycle started. Cycle's supposed to be free ADR up to the top marker, and we have where we are now in relation from anchor point low to free ADR. We are 1.46 ADR. Average daily range is ADR, if you don't know, so it's the calculated movement of that pair over 15 days, the average pip movement. Price often bounces off this Asian session, so it's like the marker to the day, so it gives us a guide to where we might go, gives us key levels to trade from. So that's our average daily range. DR pips is the daily range, so the current day price has moved 154 pips. With the shark fins on the TDI, so the 60 minute and 240 minute, 4 hour and 60 minute, 1 hour tells you how long ago the last shark fin was, where price went outside the volatility band and back in. It's good for showing us where moves start and finish from, so it shows us exhaustion, especially under the 30 level and above the 70 level. So as we can see here, we had a sharp fin, then we had anchor point low, buy signal, and movement to the upside for so far 1.5 days. We also had like bearish divergence here, and we probably had a cycle to the downside from this point here. So this would have been showing anchor point high and price moving down. So we say that a cycle should last from 3 to 5 days, cover 3 ADR at least, 3 times average daily range, and 3 levels of 1 ADR. So yeah, depending on how long it takes. So the cycle normally starts with a double top or a double bottom, which is why I actually made this indicator. I programmed it to work in accordance with the EMA's crossing. Price going under the 13 EMA, above it, under it and back over to give us these double tops here. And for the double, so that's a double bottom, sorry, double top. Same kind of thing. Price going above the 13 EMA, price going under it, price going above and back under. So round here would be a great entry for you when you see those. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly take one more gaze at the Connix, and then we're going to stop. So the features of the Connix panel here are the pair. This shows if price touches one of these fair value gaps, one of these. This one shows if price has touched an order block, one of these. Break of structure was the last break of structure here. Sensitivity of that can be adjusted too, so if you want shorter swings you can change that in the settings. Range is from swing high to swing low, a percentage, so we know if we're at a premium or a discounted place in that range. 50% is equilibrium, sell above 50, buy below 50. And then we have the ADR of the pair, the average daily range, same as in Market Maker, and the daily range of that pair also. You can also add in custom time frames, I think below, so 3 or 4 more time frames. This is the projected ADR high and ADR low of the pair. So price was projected to move up to here today, didn't quite get there. Yeah, and also Market Maker and Connix Smart Trading both come with a multi-asset scanner. I'll just show you one for now, as it duplicates the information in this single asset panel. So here is the smart panel for Connix, the multi-asset panel. You can change the pairs in it, you can do stocks, you can do crypto, you can do indices, whatever you want in there, and it will tell you whether or not it works only for the current time frame. This one you can have multi-time frame, but you can view multiple assets from the one table and receive alerts to your mobile phone app and push alerts on the browser. Yeah, the other beautiful thing about all of these indicators is they work on anything, so literally anything that you want to trade. You're not limited to just what's on MT4. And also you can access it from your phone, because obviously this is going to sync up with your phone app. At the moment also, if you head over to my website over here, G-labs, we have got glabs.software. The link will be in the description of the video. We have a winter sale on. Currently we've got about a 50% discount on the normal cost of subscribing. Yeah, we've got some great tools here for all types of trading, and also if you're not really into the smart money concepts or the market makers method, we can give you that foundation too through following our YouTube videos and our subscribers group, which has a library of flashcards. Okay guys, I'm gonna go now and make some more content for you, and I will see you soon for my analysis.